So I'd like to welcome everyone. This is a great opportunity to be here. I represent the Miss Universe Organization for Global Partnership, and I'm very excited to announce to all of you, VP Mario and I, we would like to tell everyone that we expect 120 countries this year for the Miss Universe Organization. So the countries that haven't joined us for the last couple of years, so now they're joining us again.
Wow. Exciting news, and thank you so much for that great news. Miss
you.
Owen, it's so lovely to see you again.
Thank you
Welcome
very
back to the
much.
Philippines.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Jonas. Salamat po, dear.
Maraming salamat, Miss O. You want to have a photo first with the Shanice? I know you have a lot already, but right here in the Philippines, so maybe not so much yet.
Sorry.